Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch Ultra 2 to your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version for optimal compatibility. Then, power on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Bring your watch close to your iPhone, and a pairing screen should automatically appear. Tap Continue on your iPhone to begin the setup process, ensuring both devices are ready for a seamless connection. Next, you'll see an animation on your Apple Watch. Use your iPhone's camera to scan this animation, aligning it within the frame on your phone's screen. Your devices will then pair automatically. If for any reason the automatic pairing doesn't work, simply select the Pair Manually option on your iPhone and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the connection process. Once paired, you'll have two main setup choices. If you're upgrading from a previous Apple Watch, you can choose to restore from a backup, bringing over all your familiar settings and data. Alternatively, if this is your first Apple Watch or you prefer a fresh start, select Set up as New Apple Watch. After making your selection, simply agree to the terms and conditions to move forward. Finally, you'll be guided through a few essential customization steps. Sign in with your Apple ID to unlock all features, including app downloads and iCloud synchronization. Create a secure passcode for your watch, which is crucial for Apple Pay and data protection. You can also adjust preferences like text size and activity tracking. Your Apple Watch Ultra 2 is now fully connected and ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.